strong winds are forecast for Monday. A weather warning has been issued for York on Monday amid forecasts of strong winds set to batter the region. The yellow warning, which means be aware, says strong west or northwest winds are likely to affect northern areas of the UK on Monday. The Met Office says the winds will hit areas including York and the East Riding of Yorkshire, and transport networks may be affected. The warning adds some delays to road, rail, air and ferry transport are likely. Some bus and train journeys may be affected, with some journeys taking longer. Delays for high-sided vehicles on exposed routes and bridges are likely. Some short-term interruptions to power supplies are possible.